We're here again, playing with this pool game, and I'm here for about an hour, and I'm going to be mostly just making the balls. I started making a few balls earlier. Switch over to Blender, we can see said balls, and they're right here. A couple of little stray skis here and there. I'll go ahead and take care of those today, and get started in just a second. Just trying to get my gloves on. There we go. Earlier we had a great stream, and I was really happy about it. And I think we're gonna have another great one. Welcome to the chat room. Alright. So, first thing I need to do actually is get the YouTube chat. Because I'm not sure if this is the actual YouTube chat that I have here. Over there on the YouTube land. Go in there. And, see if we can find the current stream that I'm on. There it is. And I'll just simply pop the chat out from there. And then in OBS, just have to make sure that I'm copying the ZMBI blah 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 blah. Studio, YouTube. It's not that one. It's that one. But I think they were the same. But that's fine. We have this one now. The white one. Twitch is black. YouTube is white. In this case. If you wanted to see the game, it's right here. Got some of the 3D models. But as you can see, the balls are not quite loaded yet. And there's some funkiness with this particular ball, but I suspect I know what that is. Welcome in. Welcome in. Thanks for joining. Alright, so back over in Blender. Let's go ahead and remove the no-nos. Select box. Move that no-no. I don't really need this. Is it just me or is this ball transparent? Let's get that fixed. Alpha is 1. This ball appears smaller. Let's see. No, it's just on a different plane. That's all that is. No big deal. Scooch over. Your face is kind of cut off. How's it going? Nice to see you guys. It's time to finish these balls. I got the serious music on. Alright. Copy this guy, and then we can move him with the move tool. I'm not the best at this. I just started Blender the other day. So next we need tab. Select text. Tab. Must not be selected the right thing. Select text. How do I rotate? There we go. Here's a pan. I get a better view at the ball over here. Shift. There we go. All right, that's gonna have to do for now. Welcome in, welcome. Let's delete the 3 and we'll replace it with the 2. Back to object mode. And what color is the 2 ball? 2 is blue. Sort of a deep blue like that. And it's pretty good on the 2. I'm going to ignore the fact that it's cut off a little bit. I didn't say it would be the world's greatest looking pool game. Just the world's greatest. Next is the yellow. And it's the 1 ball. And I think that about does it for our solids. So why don't I save these as solids? I'm not going to worry about lining them up. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I will save this as, or is it save copy? Save the current file in the desired location, but do not make the saved file active. Okay, but I want saved file, save as. Let me save as this first, because this will be part of all balls. I'm just going to save as separate here. Balls solid. Okay. Starting from 9 up, it's going to have a striped counterpart. So if I go select not the text, this ball. You know what? I'm not going to do that actually, because I think I have a striped ball that I can just work with. I believe I already have a cue ball too. Let me go to my downloads folder. I know I have an object that I can import. It's my 10 ball. Hey, thank you for the love. Appreciate it. Alright, so my 10 ball I actually have in my repo. So I'm just going to find that real quick. Here it is. And I think I can import an object file. Opinion on Devin. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. Hey, Sam Preeth and Manish. I am coding a pool game right now. It's, here, I'll show you. It's a work in progress. I'm using the Ursina game engine in Python. And I've coded my own physics in. a little bit of issues when it comes to the object and the mesh. But other than that, it pretty much works. Pockets are working. There's no scoring yet. And there's no actual game logic. Hey, Prash, nice to see you. Thank you. Hey, if you guys can, go over to Twitch and follow me on Twitch and watch the video there, because it helps me gain traction there as well. So on top of that game, which I'll just F4 out of right there, I'm trying to import the existing striped ball so that I can style the rest of the striped balls. This music is getting too loud. Hold on a second. There we go. It's also kind of corny. Whatever. So here's the ball 10 object that I wanted to import. And I think I just imported it in the same spot that I was. No, I didn't. Or maybe it's just in the origin. Yeah, there it is. It's in the origin. So if I take this and I move it out of the origin, there's the 10 ball. Oops. I gotta grab everything with it. So I gotta use select box. For everything except for what it's inside of. Yeah, there we go. Move this whole thing. So this will start being my striped balls. Unreal or Unity? I haven't used either, actually. I'm using Ursina, which is a Python game engine. Let's see. I closed out of the code. I'll bring it back up in a second. Right now I'm just making these balls. Give you a chance to look at the code. Ursina is pretty cool. I haven't used any other game engines. I've tried to make one and it didn't go so well. But now I'm just in Blender. Okay, what I need to do is move this cursor to right here. Zoom out. It's one thing about Blender is it's difficult to control this. I don't really care. It can be kind of anywhere. And just grab it and take it with me wherever I go. Okay, move tool. Oh, this music is terrible. Gosh. Nobody cares about your band, bro. Yeah, it feels very nice to adjust objects. Yeah, it's cool. It's a nice break from coding. Oh, crap. I lost. I didn't get the 10 there. There we go. Grab the whole thing. And then the move tool. Just to separate it. Maybe I'll just... That's what I'll do. I'll make a new project. I don't know why I'm fussing with this. New general, probably. New general. Yeah, I already saved that. Let's delete everything. And then now I can import again. Yeah, I bet you could use VR for this. It's pretty cool. Maybe that's something I'll do next. VR dev. Object. Man, there's no telling why this music is free. It's terrible. Alright, here's the ball. The 10 ball. And I'll go ahead and save this as... I don't know where the other one went. I'll just put it here in downloads. This is balls. Oh, I saved it as untitled. No, I want it to be called balls. Balls. Stripe. Way too many L's. Striped. Cool. Alright, that's just nothing. Alright, so copy. paste it, move it completely in this direction, and the next one down is the 9 ball. So what we need to do is actually, I realize I need to get the text from the other one because I forgot how to do that. So let me open. You still seeing this one? Yeah, okay. I need to open the other project. Yes. I think that's the one I was already on. Balls solid. I think I can just export. How about if I just export a single ball and then I'll import it into my other project? Let me save this as ball 1. All right, and I think I know a quick way to do this real quick. Very quick. So select box, pretty much all the balls except for the one. Delete, this is only ball 1. Select box again, move to the center, but also I think I can change the properties of this object. The location should be 0, 0, 0. Maybe not. Okay, well, I can also just drag it. It's weird because that thing is like off. Also, am I missing the number? Yeah, I think I didn't get the number. That's a pain. All right, try again. Do I have the number? Yeah, I got the number. So it's just a matter of deleting it. Maybe it's not. Is it not placed? I think I didn't place it. That's what it was. It's my guess. All right, select box. Let's move this guy over here. Don't tell me I lost the number again. So funky. The cursor. Nope, I got the number. Perfect. Let's just move this guy. I believe that's telling me that that's centered. Alright, so now I can export ball 1 as an obj file into my repo. Export ball 1. Now I can open the striped balls. Then I can import the other one that I just did. An object file. From here again, ball 1. Thought I could do that. really thought that was going to work. Okay, so import an object. Oh, I probably clicked the wrong thing. There we go, yeah. It does work. We don't need this anymore. We need to make a copy of everything involved with this. You just failed to install this? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Copy. Paste. Should stay along that red line. I should be able to rotate it a little bit further. Stripe is not exactly one-to-one. I guess we can say that's a 1. It's really not. It's supposed to be a 9. Anyway. I'm going to be honest with you, Prosh. I don't know anything about Web3, and I've been more interested in 3D development lately. Web3 appears to be about blockchain and stuff I'm not really familiar with. I've never had to use it professionally. So I apologize, man. I haven't been able to do it. All right. So that's the text, but it's not like it was sending me into the text editor like it was before. Do I have to make new text? Well, that's kind of a pain. I can't... I guess once it goes into an object, it's no longer a text node or whatever. Well, that means I have to redo the text, which is what I was trying to avoid. That sucks. So what am I doing next? Probably just this for a little bit. I had a poll, and people voted for game development. So that's what I'm working on. This is more of like a learning thing so that I can learn how to do game development better. But web development came in a close second. I'm not sure if Web3 qualifies as web development. I think people are more interested in like React and Next.js, that kind of thing. By the way, why are you interested in Web3? What is the is that like the career that you're trying to go into? Oh, I've erased the vertices. That's cool. Cool. Erase the whole thing. Perfect. All right, now I need a new text. Shift A, text. Shift to edit the text. And it's a 9. Man, I really wish I could just use that text. Maybe I've done this the opposite way. I'll just try to do this. I forget exactly what I did to get the text to be stuck to the thing like that, so that's why I'm a little hesitant to do it this way. Alright, so we got a 9 there. And I think I have to set career. Indian EDU system is dumb. Yeah, I don't know about dumb. I don't know if I see very many Web3 job listings, just so you know. I'm not sure how it is over there, but me personally, it's usually like Java is a big one. And a couple of, I was actually just talking about this the other day on a stream. Here's my 9. It's on the wrong rotational plane, but I think we can fix it to give it a parent. Let me give it a parent. Output, view layer. I think this was it. Under modifiers, we do a deform, and I did a shrink wrap, and I have to figure out what this is. Sphere 001. So again, deform, shrink wrap, and then I thought I was able to select which one I was actually targeting there. Target nominal project. No. Man. Oh, here we go. So if I rotate that, I think now I'll be able to see that on my face of it. Right there. Not that one. Yeah, that's pretty good. Change the color of it. Which is adding a material to it. Material of black. Now in the modifier, it needs outside. And actually outside surface, I think. Offsets, what's 0.1? 0.1? There we go, that looks pretty good. Kind of, needs some fixing. There we go. What is my profession? I'm a software engineer. I work for a blood bank in Florida. Mostly we do SQL and Vue. And yeah. Offset looks too much. Or perhaps I can just dial it back slightly. Can we go negative? Or just change it to 0? Have to be able to go smaller than that. 0.05. 0.005. It's almost there. 0.0099. 0.001. I've already been there. It's a little bit cut off. I think I can rotate it out. Appreciate watching is one, but you don't care. That's not true. I care. I don't think you can rightly say what somebody cares about if they haven't stated it. It's not very fair to me, is it? I will tell you that I care about my family, my career, and I care about my YouTube channel. But I'll be honest with you, it comes second to those other two things. So I apologize for not being able to get to your specific thing. But those are my priorities, and they're not about to change. Alright, the 9 ball should be yellow. And that's here in the materials. So here I've got a material of blue, an existing material called black, but it's yellow. There we go. There's the 9 ball. Pretty much. I think that it could do some rotation around this axis here, based on the way that the stripe is displaced. Protrudes a little bit too. I'd like to fix that before I start making copies of it. I think this is fixed to the wrong object. It's all right. Should have move on. Yeah, that looks kind of funky. Terribly protruded. Okay, hold on. This looks like a good angle here. Hey, Saif, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Are you having a good evening? All right, let's move this guy out of this plane. The problem is that the model itself is like protruding. Music is terrible. There we go. And then the 9. I think it just needs to be moved along that plane. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Well, I hope that's enough. Get rid of this guy. 9. Oops. There we go. The next ball. This material needs to change. I think I have to create a new one again. Or do I just need to change the color? Yeah, I think that's it. So the next color is the 10 ball, which is blue, which is where I came from, but it needs to be translated. Oh gosh. No, I remember you, dude. I super appreciate you being there and stuff. There's a pretty big lag on my live stream. Alright. What to do about this? Increase the offset. Yes. Wasn't enough. Or just delete it. Yeah. Just delete it. That looks ridiculous. It's a little better. It still looks a little funky, but maybe if you pull down the red axis a little bit. Yeah, it's slanted. It makes it kind of difficult. But it's probably as good as I'm going to get it right now. $11 ball is red.
You know what? Let me hit that.
Really?
I can handle it.
I am certain that you cannot.
Oh, come on, I smoked a ton of weed in the 90s.
This is so funny.
Right, the 90s.
It's from a TV show in the United States. Alright, object mode again. This guy, the materials tab. The color of it needs to be red. That's all. No need to overthink it. Right? I have a feeling that once I export that, it's not going to be the same color, but that's fine. I'll figure that out. Alright, another ball. The 12 ball. Alright, the 12 ball. Well, ball. What color's the 12 ball? Purple. Alright, gotta go back to object mode. Select this. Find that purple. It's pretty good. Copy, paste. Move tool. Next. 13. The 13 ball is 13 ball is orange again. Back to object mode. Back to object mode. Click this guy. And click the color, make it orange. Perfect. Perfect enough. Another copy. This one is going to be green. Not that green. I can adjust the saturation or the value. The value is what I need. There we go. And the number on it is supposed to be 14. Okay. My balls are special. And the last striped ball is a 15. Another ball. Tab over. 15. Woo! And it's red. Tab over. Click this. Change it to that red color. That's a good one. Deep red. Nice and deep. And there's my ball striped. So now what I have to do is export them one by one. I think I just export the selection. That'd be cool. Export a collection as an object or something. Don't know. Right now it's just going to be some work of me just exporting them all one by one. I already got ball 10. Let's save a new project. Ball 11. It's painful to do it this way, but it's the way that I can visualize it. Now I think I can figure out how to set the location of all of these. At once, but I'm not sure. This is Blender right here. I didn't realize that Unreal had its own object creation tool. Alright, so this is ball 11. And then I'll save as another one. Ball 12. There it is. But I'm going to go all the way back to where I have all my other balls. Really? Hello? I'm saying stuff. I think it's coming through. Can you guys hear it? Somebody's saying they can't hear it. I'm gonna check it on Twitch. Hold on. Hello? hello. Wow. What, is it working? I don't think it's working. What, is it working? Oh, it is working. Alright, cool. Alright, only got a little bit of time. Create my ball 12. I guess I should be exporting these as well. Alright, that's ball 12. We'll do ball 13 as well. Ball 13. Move tool. If I tried making a game using AI tools, I mean, I use Copilot, so I don't know if that counts. But if you're talking about one of those like things where it's like, oh, make a game in 5 minutes, no, I don't think I'll be trying that. I mean, maybe if it's cool. Let's see. I don't know if it's me or not, but my sphere looks a little wonky. Alright, that's gonna be good enough. And ball 14. Not export. Save as. Wish there was a way I could just export them. Like if I could just export what I have selected. Yep, that'd be cool. I don't know how to do that. There's my ball 14. Get the rest of them back though. Wait, this guy. Oops. I'm not smart enough to know if that's good or bad. It's probably bad, but I'm not smart enough. Alright. Next is ball 15. Export. Not export. Save as ball 15. Control Z all the way back. And this time I don't think I need to save it at all. Just get rid of 14. And all I need to do is hook up my 15. I'm starting to see the lines a little bit better. Oops. Wish I could tilt that stripe. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and export some of these. Backwards 14, export, object, 14. Recent 13. Export object. Export. And then recent. Where are we at? 12. Probably good enough. Export object. 12. Recent. What's recent? Come on, where's recent? Open recent. There we go. It's 11. Yeah, that's fine. Export. Obj. Ball 11. And then I already have a ball 10. Alright. So I'll just go. I have a ball done. I think I can. Oh, you can't see the Visual Studio, huh? Oh, it's not even open. I'll hook that up. Hold on a second. There it is. There's the code. Alright. So now we're going to pass in ball. And then I think we can concatenate like that. Number. Except I want it to mod to. Mod. Let's see. Mod 10 plus 10. Nice, you can start to see a few of them. I don't have time to map them all out, but these are the ones I created, and they look pretty good. I'd say the material needs to be updated, though. Also, I'll just let it fly since it doesn't really cause an error. Okay. I have an issue with that 8 ball. Also, the ball nums are not really coming through like they should. That's okay. That'll be mine to fix later. Some of these models are offset, so probably what I'll do is I'll make one of them perfect and then start the entire process over again. Pretty fun to play, just devoid of any rules or anything, until it airs out, of course. Alright, well, I think that's all I'll have time to do right now. Thanks for checking me out. Next time I'll have a little bit more for you to look at. I know it was boring, some of the stuff with Blender. And it's probably not even correct, all of it. I guess I could try real quick to get the balls initialized, and you can see what that looks like. Ooh, well, why is the ball num coming in as... I'll just start by printing the ball num. Because I know I have those objects. Print ball num. think that the materials that I exported were not correct. So I changed the viewport color, but the materials were not the same. So for example, the 11 ball right here. When I have this, I need to go into the materials tab and see how the base color is yellow. The base color needs to be red. And now if I export that, I want to see if it correctly shows as red. Export as object. Ball 11. Once again, run the game. And there we go. The ball 11 is red. And there's two of them for some reason, but
Yeah. Fuck remote controller, man. What the fuck, nigga?
all right, that's enough. That's enough for me. All right, have a good one. All right, bye.